Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress Duplicator. First, install and activate the Duplicator plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Duplicator menu and click Create New to start a new package. Give your package a descriptive name, then proceed to the next step. The plugin will scan your site to ensure compatibility before building the package. This initial scan helps identify any potential issues early on. After the scan, review the results carefully. If there are any warnings, address them if necessary, though often you can proceed. Click the Build button to begin creating your site package. This process generates two crucial files, an installer, PHP file, and an archive, zip file. The archive contains all your WordPress files and database. Once complete, download both of these files to your local computer. They are vital for the migration. Now, upload both the installer, PHP, and the archive, zip files to the root directory of your new hosting environment. Before running the installer, create a new MySQL database and a user with full privileges on your target server. You will need these credentials during the installation process. Open your web browser and navigate to the URL where you uploaded the installer. PHP file to start the Duplicator installation wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts, entering your new database name, username, and password. Test the database connection to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Duplicator will then extract your site files and import the database. After this, you'll be prompted to update your site's URL and path settings, which is crucial for the new location. Finally, log into your new WordPress site to verify everything works perfectly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.